Morning everyone. Now we are discussing about continue the chapter 2 of the geography of class 8th. Our next topic is water resource. Water is very important for our daily life. Water is important for our life because without water we cannot live for a long period. And water also used for our industrial purposes and domestic purposes also. You see that on our globe near about 71% water exists, but maximum water is useless because ocean water is saline. Saline means खारा होता है. Only 3% water is fresh water. 3% वाटर फ्रेश वाटर है या मीठा पानी है विच आर यूजेबल फॉर ह्यूमन बींग्स. नाउ वी आर द 3% वाटर also categorized in a different level, just like these 3% belong to the glacier. You see that underground water and the river water. Now in recent years the river water also polluted. So you see that it is a basic things of everybody. It is the very important thing for the life. So we can conserve our water resources for the future. You see that water and its problem lies in the urban areas. In urban areas, the scarcity of water exists, and you know about near about 1/3 population of the world facing a scarcity of water in different area in different ways. And you see that a lot of water are used in the agriculture sector. A lot of much amount of water are used in the industrial sector, and a lot of water are used in the domestic purposes for making food, washing clothes, drinking, etc. And you see that the pressure on water becomes increased due to the high population growth. You see that the amount of water are fixed, and rainfall are the source of fresh water, but in recent year rainfall also decline, and the absence of forest or plants, the water level on the underground also declined. It create a big problem for the future. अगर आप देखें पेड़ और जंगल के कटने के कारण जो हमारी ज़मीन के अंदर का पानी है, जो जिसको हम लोग ग्राउंड वाटर कहते हैं, उसका लेवल भी धीमे धीमे कम हो रहा है. और अब बारिश भी वैसी नहीं हो रही है जैसे कि पहले हुआ करती थी. पहले आप देखे होंगे कि 3-3 महीने तक बारिश का मौसम होता था. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये कमी है. एंड वन थिंग इज हियर, द प्रेशर ऑन वाटर. प्रेशर ऑन वाटर मीन्स क्या? पॉपुलेशन का कंटिन्यू बढ़ना कहीं ना कहीं पानी के ऊपर दबाव डाल रहा है. इन द सम एरियाज इन अर्बन सेक्टर वाटर आल्सो पैक्ड, सील्ड एंड ब्रॉड फॉर द सिटीजन्स. पानी को सील पैक करके बेचा जा रहा है. यू लाइक सो you see that it is the importance of water because fresh water is very few amount, and continue water level is going on downsides. So it create a big problem in the future. So how we can conserve the water resources? First point, we also save our water, particular rainwater, by rainwater harvesting. We collect the water from rain in a tank, ponds, etc. for the further uses. Number second, we adopted the sprinkle system in irrigation in agriculture. We adopt the sprinkle system in agriculture for providing the irrigation in the field. हम लोग स्प्रिंकल सिस्टम को इस्तेमाल करें खेती में सिंचाई के लिए. नंबर थर्ड, मोर ट्रीज में बी प्लांटेड, अधिक से अधिक पेड़ लगाएं, बिकॉज यू नो डैट द रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट टाइड अप द सॉइल पार्टिकल एंड absorb the rain water and it becomes the water level up. Next point, the water pollution is a very great problem. A lot of rivers are polluted through the industrial waste, so it is our duty. We don't throw the sewage or industrial waste products in the water. After the filtration and neutralization process, we discharge this water into the river. आप देखते होंगे कि नालियाँ, सीवर लाइन या फैक्ट्रियों से निकलने वाला गंदा पानी नदियों में बहा दिया जाता है, फेंक दिया जाता है, तो जिससे कि नदी में पॉल्यूशन हो जाता है. इन द पास्ट पीपल ड्रिंक द रिवर वाटर, लोग नदी का पानी पीते थे, बट एट प्रेजेंट टाइम वी कैन नॉट डू इट बिकॉज द रिवर वाटर आल्सो पॉल्यूटेड. तो गवर्नमेंट, इट इज़ गवर्नमेंट ड्यूटी टू स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोड द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन एंड सेव रिवर फ्रॉम पॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट एंड सीवर लाइन्स ऑफ द cities continue throwing huge amount of water in the river. That river water also polluted. So you see that in the different ways we conserve our water resources for our future generation, because you see that near about the 30 to 35% area of the world is facing water scarcity, and fresh water is very essential for the human survival and the industrial development. Okay, that's all.